Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Today, we're diving into a meme coin portfolio that Arthur Hayes, the founder of BitMEX, recently shared. We'll be breaking down the charts of these three meme coins, Mother, MOG, and PEPE. Is there a 10 to 100x potential in these coins, or are we looking at high risk going to zero? Let's find out. Before we jump in, a quick disclaimer. I personally don't trade meme coins the way I trade Bitcoin. Meme coins are highly volatile. Yes, you might see incredible gains, anywhere from 10 to 100 times your investment. But on the flip side, there's also a real risk of these coins going to zero. Trading altcoins, especially meme coins, is a different game. In my view, Bitcoin stands out as the apex asset. There is no founder, no investors, no pre-mine, and no centralized control. From day one, Bitcoin has had a real use case as an underground currency, and it's why Bitcoin is unlikely to ever hit zero. For today's review, we're disregarding fundamentals like market cap or locked liquidity. You can check those out on DEX Screener or CoinGecko. In my opinion, meme coins don't really have strong fundamentals, so I'll be focusing strictly on the charts. That said, let's dive in and start with the first coin. Looking at Mother's daily chart, there's a doji candle, which hints at potential bearish momentum. It's currently battling with the 5-period EMA. The red dot on the wave trend indicator is signaling a possible downturn. The RSI is above 70, indicating that it's overbought. Overall, the outlook is bearish, and we could see Mother testing the 21 EMA, which sits at around $0.076. That's about a 31% potential drop to the downside. Switching over to the 4-hour chart, Mother topped out at $0.149 on the 26th of September. Since then, it's already dropped by 31% and is now sitting at $0.11. The price is below both the 5 and 21 EMAs, showing weakness. While the money flow is still in the green and we're seeing high volume, there's a chance the party is ending and no chairs will be left when it does. Zooming into the 1-hour chart, yesterday's RSI dipped into oversold territory, signaling a potential bullish reversal. We saw a green dot on the wave trend, but at the same time the money flow turned negative, and the price quickly dipped to $0.102. After a hidden bullish divergence on the wave trend indicator, the price pumped back to $0.111, but the money flow is still deep in the red. The price is also sitting below the 21 EMA, and we might see further downside ahead. Now let's move on to MOG. On the daily chart, the RSI is oversold, which could signal a local top. The wave trend is turning around. We had a great entry back in August from the 20th to the 8th of September, when the RSI was showing oversold levels between 30 and 37. There was also a bullish divergence marked by a green dot on the wave trend. That strategy worked well, but it's now exiting as we've hit oversold levels and the wave trend is high. Money flow is turning green soon, which suggests there could still be room for MOG to move upward. Overall, it's an interesting level, but from here, I wouldn't make any moves just yet. Switching to the 4-hour chart, we're seeing a similar picture to the daily. It's an interesting level, but not one I would personally trade. MOG is sitting above both the 5 and 21 EMAs, which could prolong the bullish momentum. The money flow is deep in the green, which is also a bullish sign. The VWAP is turning to the upside, indicating we might see some continuation to the bullish side. Finally, let's talk about PEPE. PEPE has been ripping since February of this year and remains very strong, in my opinion. On the daily chart, it's trading above both the 5 and 21 EMAs. The RSI is flagging as overbought, while the wave trend is also high. This combination might signal a good exit point for those who bought in recently. Money flow is rising, and we saw a bullish divergence on the 8th of September, which has already led to a 63% gain. While short-term traders might start exiting soon, this is one of the strongest charts among the three coins. On the 4-hour chart, the RSI has been signaling overbought conditions since Thursday, but the price hasn't stopped climbing due to the deeply green money flow, which is bullish. PEPE is currently well above the 21 EMA and resting on the 5 EMA. The price is also battling with the green horizontal line, a former support and resistance level at 11,403. The next target is a yellow resistance line at 13,152. If PEPE breaks through that, retesting the previous high of 17,250 is definitely within the realm of possibility. So there you have it, an in-depth look at Arthur Hayes' meme coin portfolio. While these coins may have explosive potential, remember the risks involved. As for me, I'll stick with Bitcoin, but let me know your thoughts in the comments. Are you holding any meme coins? What's your strategy? If you found this analysis helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more insights, and ring that notification bell. And see you in the next one.